What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because why were you not be on my team? I need you, sis. I need you. We need each other. We do. So today's video consists of an updated eyebrow routine. A lot of people, be asking me like, oh my god, girl, how do you do your eyebrows? Well, I'm here to help you, sis. Okay, I hope you're watching. Okay. I do have a previous video on how I did my eyebrows, and this video is just more detailed for you guys to follow. So it's just no different from my previous, but like I said, it's more detailed for you to follow to help you guys out to get your eyebrows looking all flicky flick. So with that being said, let me go ahead and get you guys into the video. All right, guys, so the things that you will need, of course, a spoolie to brush your eyebrow hairs up. And when you're brushing your eyebrow hairs up, make sure you clip the little, hairs that be uneven, and, just shape them up a little bit. So when you carve them out, it'll be easier to define them. And I'm using scissors from, how you get the little manicure, pedicure, little packs, whatever, and the little scissors come in. So I'm just using these type of scissors to cut my eyebrow hairs. These are very convenient to get those little hairs that be so worrisome. Like, boo boo, you gotta go. Also, you would need whatever color that you want to color your eyebrows with. I'm just going in with a black pencil. A lot of people cannot use black pencils. I'm telling you, black is not a bad thing to use on your eyebrows. It's just certain people just cannot use it and just don't know how to. But for this video, I'm going to show you how to use a black eyeliner pencil. But again, you can use any color that you want to use. Also, you will need concealers or your choice of foundation, whatever the case may be. I just use 2 concealers. Sometimes I'll just use one. It's just me. It's just what I do. I will be using LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in the color Chestnut on the top of my eyebrow. And I also use BH Studio Pro Concealer. This is 117. I use this to carve under my eyebrows. And of course, last but not least, you will need a flat top brush. This brush is by e.l.f. and it's called the Flat Eyeliner Brush. So I just use this or any type of flat eyeliner brush to carve out my eyebrows. So let's go ahead and get into this tutorial so your eyebrows can be on flicky flick, okay? Okay, I'm carving out the bottom of my eyebrows in the shape that you want for them to look, or just go along how your natural eyebrow shape is. I just go out a little bit from my ends, and I'm just carving. You must have a steady hand when doing this, but it's okay if you mess up, because the concealer is just going to clean up everything. And I don't start at the beginning of my eyebrows. I start like pretty much like, I don't even do measurements. I don't even care for it. But I just stop like a little bit past the front of my brows. And I just carve my shape. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you mess up, this concealer is going to clean all that up. Okay, and like I said, I'm using black. So I'm going to color in and when you're doing a full face, of course, you're going to use a primer or brow gel, whatever the case may be, to lay your eyebrows down. especially me, I always use a primer or milk of magnesia to keep the oil from coming through my eyebrows. And for the front, I just lightly stroke up a little bit like that. Don't go all the way up, just go from the bottom. Well, this is how I do my eyebrows. I just go from the bottom like that and just have, see how I just have a little fade. Okay, girl. Okay, girl. So I didn't drag all the color way up on my eyebrows because I don't want that boxy look. So I just, you know, took some color, put some color at the bottom, just lightly drag it up. And I forgot to mention also, I do use a eyebrow powder. I use the LA Colors medium eyebrow kit, and I will use these two colors right here. So like I said, let's do black. So I'm using this, oh gosh, I can't even think of the name, but I'm using this, oh, the little sponge brush right here. I don't even know what happened to my definer brush. But yeah, I just like twist it in or whatever to get my color because I need some more. So I just like color it in, you know, like, or just pat it in. It may take a lot of work, but you want your eyebrows to be flaky. And if I had my definer brush, of course, I would like, what is it? My angle brush. Of course, I would do this way different than what I'm doing. And, you know, it's like, I know y'all never seen somebody do this before. Using a sponge? Really? A little sponge brush? Hey, any brush that works is convenient to me. Alright, so we just pat that in. And see, I still got a little fade at the front. Okay, so that's set with powder. So don't forget to set it with powder because you don't need to be, you know, having oily eyebrows and stuff. So now we're going in with BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Concealer. This is the 117, of course, and I just put it on my hand like that. And you just start carving it out. And you really have to concentrate when you're doing this. I am like a perfectionist when I do my brows. I have to have it correct. Otherwise, it's just not happening, boo. It's just not happening. And just drag the concealer down too, so you can see how your shape is looking. And it takes time to really do this. Like, this is not one of those things you want to rush at all. I love BH Cosmetics concealers because they're not too greasy at all. Okay, so that's the bottom. Now I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Chestnut. And I just start from the beginning. Honey child. I just clean the top up. See that? And you can always drag it out. Well, pull it up. Like I said, to see how your shape is coming along. And it's all about concentration, y'all. Y'all will get it. If you keep practicing, you will definitely get it. So just continue to shape it out on how you want it. and boom, there it is. And just make sure, you know, your tail is how you want it. It's, you know, sharp how you want it. And just pat that concealer in. Rub it in, pat it in, however, whatever the case may be. Just make sure it's precise. And boom, bam, ta-da, wham, wow. I don't know. But yeah, this is how I do my eyebrows. And as you can see, it's not hard at all. Just get you a good flat top eyeliner brush. The color that you want to use, a good eyebrow powder. I just use the LA Colors medium kits, not a big deal. And whatever concealer color or foundation color, and boom, baby, you got some flaky flake brows. So that is it for this tutorial. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Also, leave your feedback in the comment section. I would love to read you guys' comments. Also, if you would like a tutorial on this look, just let me know in the comment section. And until then, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.